Hey guys, I got a package from Amazon. I already opened it, and it's Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Styling Gel. Last up to 3 days. I didn't open this package. I bought it from Amazon, and its actual price is $6.99. I don't know if you are seeing it right. I got it from Amazon in 412. Let's open it together. It's my first time I'm using this product. This shade is the deep brown. Let's try it. It's a tiny little brush. I don't know how to apply, but let's try it. I already applied it on my both eyebrows. I don't know how it is looking. Let me know in the comment section.
জীবনে প্রেম কটা করছেন আপনি?
প্রেম আমি একটাও করি নাই,
একটাও করেন?
কোনো মাইয়া আমার চয়েস করেন না।